Hi y'all, Victoria here, and today I'm going to be unboxing my January BOXYCHARM box. I knew I was going to get tongue-tied saying that, but oh well. So here is the box, and this is actually my first BOXYCHARM box. I'm really excited about that. I've been contemplating it for a while, and then I just figured new year, I'll kick it off by getting a BOXYCHARM subscription. So now let's get into the actual box. So I cut it open, but I haven't looked inside. And since I signed up kind of later, I signed up like when it was already January, so I didn't get to do a choice. BOXYCHARM does allow you to pick one item, and it's usually between like 3 or 4 items, I think, and you get to pick one of those items to be in the box. But since I signed up late, I did not get to choose an item, so I am going to be completely surprised. So let's see. This is the box. It says "Hello, Charmer," like that, and it has a little card. And the theme this month is breaking the ice. And this is variation 2. Oh, sorry, I'm reading some of the things on here and I'm getting excited. Okay, cool. We're cool, we're being cool. So the first item that I'm gonna go over is actually one that I was really hoping that I would get. And it is the Too Faced Diamond Light Highlighter. This is what it looks like, the box. I saw people unboxing this in other videos and the packaging is just so cute. There's a sticker on here, okay. So it opens up like this and it says, "It's your time to shine." Oh, I hope so. And then you take this out, and this one is like it's kind of like the boxes that like you put rings in. It's like proposing to myself. Yes, I do. It does have this cute little button, but it doesn't actually work. I think it would be cute if it worked, but it doesn't. And it's kind of a magnetic close. And this is what it looks like. And what shade is this? Diamond Fire, is that the shade? Oh, Fancy Pink Diamond, that's what it says on the back. So that's what we have, and it's kind of pink and gold. I'm gonna try and swatch it. This is what it looks like on the finger. Can you even see that? Then I'm gonna try it on the back of my hand. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm sorry about the lighting. I promise to be more professional in the future, but this is what we're working with right now. So it's kind of like a pink overall sheen, like a pearly pink. Hopefully that'll work out nicely. I'm worried that it might be a little light for me, especially once summer kicks off and I go out in the sunlight, but I do think it's very pretty, so I'm excited to try it. I know we're supposed to be boycotting Too Faced right now, but I'm still excited to try this. So yeah, moving on. And then, okay, I was kind of, or let me read so this is the Too Faced, so this was the Too Faced Cosmetics Diamond Light Highlighter, and it values for $36. And I will price these up when I finish. The next item is the Wander Beauty Trip for 2 Blush and Bronzer Duo. That's what the packaging looks like. And I see everybody complaining about getting Wander Beauty in subscription boxes. And the only one that I've had so far is I had something by Wander Beauty in a FabFitFun. So I'm not complaining about getting Wander Beauty. I'm excited to try it. The packaging looks like this. It's kind of like a almost leathery material on the outside. Oh God, I almost dropped it. Are you kidding me? Okay. I was a little bit worried because I'd seen other people get these in their box and the blush shade looked so pink. And I'm assuming that they're different colors that people got based on what their skin tone is listed as on their profile. And so this one, I got the shades Daiquiri for the blush and Tulum for the bronzer. And the blush actually looks really pink in camera, but it's more of like a mauve. It has more mauve to it in real life. So I'm hoping that it'll work out nicely. The bronzer also looks is showing up a lot lighter than it is in real life on camera. Let me try this blush. I should have taken my makeup off so I could try these on camera. So that's what the blush looks like. And this is just a very like crude swatch of it, just to try to get the pigment to show. And then the bronzer, I'm gonna go ahead and use this hand. Ooh, it looks like, I don't know if it's me, I'm just not picking up very much pigment. It looks very chocolatey on my finger, and then it doesn't look too bad. It looks like it could be okay for my face. So hopefully that'll work out. I'm excited to try it. Like I said, I know a lot of people complain about getting Wander Beauty because they kind of show up in every subscription box, but this is the first makeup item that I have for them, so I'm excited to try that. And this is a retail value of $36. So that's kind of cool. I get a blush, bronzer, and a highlight. Then the next item that I see is the Grande Cosmetics GrandeDrama Intense Thickening Mascara with Castor Oil. And I saw some people getting this in their box, and I'm also very excited to try this because my eyelashes are the bane of my existence. They're just not very full, and I'm also too lazy. I swear in high school, every day I would put on fake eyelashes, and I don't know who I was trying to impress. Like, I don't know. I was just that extra, I guess, and I had that much energy to get up in the morning and do that every day, but I don't anymore. I just can't, I'm just not a false lashes person. Every once in a blue moon. I'll do it like for a special occasion, but for the most part, for like every day, I'm just way too lazy, and I don't feel like I'd rather get more sleep in the morning before I go to work or school. So anyway, I'm excited to try this. I know castor oil is supposed to be good for like hair growth. So yeah, we will see how that works out. And oh, I'm sorry. And then this is valued at $25. So yes. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this box. Can I just say that I think I got like the best possible version for myself so far. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, and I really wanted this because I saw Jeffree Star using this in one of his Insta stories, and sorry if you don't like Jeffree. I kind of have like a love-hate fandom for him. But I saw him using this and I was like, bitch, Jeffree Star has great skin, so maybe like if I use this mask, I can have great skin someday. I too can have great skin. So this is let's see, what does this say? It says, prepare for the perfect getaway with a trip for two. Oh no, I'm reading the wrong fucking info. The Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask is a bouncy, breathable sleeping mask that smooths and perfects skin overnight. This pillow-proof formula acts as a radiance-boosting face mask formulated with soothing amino acid-rich watermelon extract, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and pore refining AHAs that work while you sleep to gently exfoliate and clarify. I really sound so illiterate. This is cool. I just want to smell it. This is package. That's what it looks like. It's pretty big. I mean, I guess it's only 1 fluid ounce, but was it 1 fluid ounce? But it looks like quite a lot when you think about like how much you really use on your face, I guess, unless you're just like slopping it on. Ooh, and it does smell nice. I'm afraid I don't want to touch it because my hands have makeup all over them, so I don't want to touch it. But it does it does have a nice scent to it. It's not like a, what would you call it? Not synthetic, like a artificial flavoring, artificial flavor smell of watermelon. Is very nice. So yay, I'm so jazzed, y'all. Like, you don't even know. And the last item, it looks like I got the Ace Beaute Scarlet. Is it Beaute? I don't know. Ace Beaute. It has an accent, so I'm gonna say Beaute. Scarlet Dusk eyeshadow palette. And this is valued at, did I say the watermelon mask? I didn't. The Glow Recipe watermelon mask was $22. The last item, the Ace Beaute, is $34.99. And I am excited. I'm trying to get less eyeshadow palettes for myself because I realized I have like an excess of them that there's like no way I can get through them. So I told myself I wasn't gonna buy any more eyeshadow palettes, but if I get them in subscription boxes, then that's not on me, right? I did see people getting this and they've all said it's beautiful, really pigmented. It says I got the Scarlet Dust, and I'm wondering if any, I don't remember what the other one was called, but it had more like greens and golds and oranges, and I think like between the two, if I'd gotten one, I would have picked the other one. I can't remember what the name of it was, but I'm like thinking about like, I don't know if I saw anybody actually get that in their box. I know it was one of the options, but everyone that I've seen so far that like didn't choose the palette, they, you know, just randomly got it. It looks like they've gotten the Scarlet Dusk. So if you got the other palette, let me know, because I don't know, I'm just curious. So let's see. Ooh. So it is, I don't know why I thought it was gonna be bigger. Not that it's a small palette. This is like a perfectly suitable size palette. Am I crazy? Is this crooked? I don't know. I'm on so many like antihistamines right now. I can't tell if this is crooked or not. I think okay, it was just me. So this is what the palette looks like. I'll try and hide the mirror. And it has 12 shades and they're kind of like in the pink family. They're very sunset-y colors, so that's fun. Like I said, I think if I would have gotten to choose, I would have chosen the other one just because it's a little bit more different. I feel like I have a lot of purples and pinks in my collection so far, but I definitely will use these. They all look really up my alley. I like to do a lot of purple looks, and every now and then I like to do like a orange or a gold look, so that'll be fun to play with. And it does include a, here's my iPhone that I'm recording on, a really good sized mirror, and that's all that I'm gonna say about that. I think maybe later I will do a video in which I try it out and swatch them. I'm not really in the position to be doing a full palette of swatches right now, but I think in the future I definitely want to do a video just on this palette alone. That'll be cool. So I would say that my first BOXYCHARM box was a success. Like I said, I think if, you know, because I'd seen all the different options that you can get, and this is exactly like the things that I would have chosen if I were to have curated the box myself. So just to recap, we got the Ace Beaute Scarlet Dusk eyeshadow palette, and that is $34.99. We got the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, and that was $22. We got the, I lost it already, the Wander Beauty Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo, and that was, I lost it. This is $36. We got the Grande Cosmetics Intense Thickening Mascara, and this is $25. This is kind of expensive for a mascara, just saying. To me, at least. And then we got the Too Faced Diamond Light Highlighter for $36. So I'm gonna pull out my calculator. It's sitting right here in my backpack. Okay. So that is a total value of $153.99. So I'd say that's pretty good. They say that they will at least have 125, I think it is. It's like 120 or 125 in each box. We only paid $25 for it. So this is a phenomenal deal if you ask me, especially because personally these are all products that I'm really excited to get and to use. I know I'm pretty sure I'll get use out of all of them. So for me, it was a great value. I also subscribed to Ipsy Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. I think I should be getting those soon. So I will be doing more unboxing type videos in the future. So if you'd like to see more of those, please subscribe to my channel. If you want to, hit the bell notification. I don't have like a schedule or anything like that for uploading videos. It's pretty sporadic. Maybe I'll do like a full face with the BOXYCHARM things that I got. I think that might be fun. So if you'd like to see more of this for some reason, feel free to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in the next video. And if you're not